precision soldering iron. So a big shout out to Fanttik for sending me this. If you like the look of it, by all means check out the links in my description below. Is that a little solder sucker? That's a nice touch if it is. Oh, that's actually quite cool. That's a nice little solder sucker, is that? Yeah, it's definitely nice, is that? It's funny, isn't it, when you get more excited over the actual accessories that come with a tool than the actual tool itself before you've even opened it. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot smaller. That's a nice little touch, that's a nice little tool. I'm quite pleased with that. I mean, I do usually use my desoldering gun if I'm honest, but for you know, the odd job or whatever, that's a nice touch that's included. Look at me getting all giddy over the actual accessories rather than the iron itself. Well, I'm assuming this is the soldering iron. That feels nice as well, you know, nice quality wise. But yeah, that feels quite nice. Adjustable temperature on the end. You know, I bought myself a screwdriver before Christmas, which started me off with this brand, and it's not let me down so far. I'm assuming this is the stand and everything then. Oh, we've got a little travel case. Bright yellow and black. They'll stand out nicely. Oh, tweezers. You can never have enough pairs of tweezers. Oh, and a little little charging cable. So accessory wise, you get a couple of nice bits. You get a decent pair of little tweezers and a desolderer. Let's go on with magnets. That's a nice touch. Quite a few nice touches here at the moment. It's, you know, quite nicely designed. Let's hope the performance is just as good. Tips are inside. Oh, that's nice. I like the storage as well. I mean, normally you've got these separate racks and everything. The only thing I don't see is anything to put some solder on, but you know, that's not the end of the world, is it? I mean, I'm actually quite impressed so far. I mean, I know I've never liked cordless soldering irons. I've never seen the point of them, but this thing, oh, and it swivels. This thing's actually impressed me so far, so I'm looking forward to using it. So you can see with this blinking red still at the moment. And it's ready, and that's quicker than what my Weller does to heat up. I mean, we're set to 400 at the moment. I mean, it's definitely flowing nicely with the tip that's included. I mean, there's 4 tips in total, and I've just put a small pointed one in. I'm not exactly using the most appropriate solder here. I'm using a too thin a gauge really to do big blobs like this. But I've got to be honest, it's no problem melting the So I've got to be honest, so far with this little thing, I'm quite impressed with it. As I say, I never bothered with cordless irons before because I sort of didn't see the point. But this is a nice little unit. It heats up quickly, and so far all the bits and pieces I've thrown at it, it's been fine. I've not tried it on any surface mount boards or anything like that yet, only on conventional food board components. For example, if you work on car electronics or something like that, you know, you're fitting car stereos and that, something like this would be perfect. You need no leads or anything, you just charge it up and then throw it in your work bag, because it comes with a little bag, and just throw it in your work bag or in your work toolbox and you're ready to go. Plus, not only that, it does actually look quite cool on the desk. So we just switch it off and let it cool off. Yeah, as you can see there, it does actually look quite cool in its little holder, which keeps all the tools in there, which is, I think, it's quite nice. And you can actually turn that around. So I think that looks quite nice on the desk. So a big shout out to Fanttik for sending me that to try out. I actually like it, and I can see I'll be using it quite a few times in the future. So if you want to grab yourself one of these yourself, I'll put the links in the description so you can have a look on their website. And if you want one, pick yourself one up. I don't think you'll be disappointed.